know this is the third video with the same outfit on, but listen, I'm trying to get content for you guys, and if that means switching up, you know, the videos, like cutting them up and wearing the same thing, mind your business, okay? Just mind your business. Now today I will be doing a twist out, and I'm just like really combining and playing with some products, and let's see if it works out. I'm not really a twist out person, but with the winter and all that, I want something that will dry fast and hopefully, you know, be moisturized and defined like I like. And if this doesn't work, then I'll just continue my wash and goes or something. So in today's video I will be using 3 different products, and yeah, that's like my leave-in, my cream, and my gel. I always have to have a gel for my twist out. It just works for me. I can't just do a leave-in and a cream and call it a day. That's just not, it's not gonna give me the definition I want for the week that I need it to last for, you know what I'm saying? Just to use up most likely the rest of my Camille Rose Curl Love, I will be using this for my leave-in conditioner. I tried this for a wash and go, and I only used it alone with some gel, and I did not like it alone. So let's see how I like it with you know, other products. And it is almost gone because I've just been trying to use it up. I haven't learned to love it like everybody else, so this may be the last time that I buy it. So I'm just trying to use it up because, as we know, Black Friday is coming. If you guys haven't seen my video, please watch it because I'm gonna need space, so I need to use up what I have now. Even though it's really coming up soon, I just need to, you know, make space for those products depending on what I can get. So yeah, this will be my leave-in. I've been liking to apply my leave-in already, like after I finished doing my hair, but if you guys watched the other videos, you know I was in the shower, so I couldn't do that, but I will apply it to my hair and let it sit. Next, I will be using the Miche Quenched Hydrating and Twisting Butter. I use this for a wash and go along with its companion leave-in, and I really did like it, but I wanted to try it alone and see if it has, like, you know, what I needed to do. So this will be my cream. And lastly, for my gel, I will be using the Afro Sheen Texture Setting Curl. What am I saying? I will be using the Afro Sheen Texture Setting Cream Gel. So I'm not using like wet line or anything like that because I really want to use this. Last time I used it, it was with the To Heal YG'd curl definer, and this with another gel. And that wash and go wasn't my best, but I hope this can give me enough definition without having to use a hard gel. So I just want to use this up. But yeah, this is just going to give you like shine and definition and long lasting hold with no flakes. So hopefully this can do what it says it does for my twist out. So yeah, I'm just going to apply my leave-in and let you guys watch at least one section. And I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit, and then I'll do the rest of my hair. I'm not the best at twist outs, so it's not a tutorial. I just wanna, you know, make a video for you guys and show what it will turn out as. So let's get started. Okay, so this is one. I'm going to do the rest off camera. This doesn't feel like the most moisturized, but it doesn't really feel that bad because I'm starting with a nice base. I used a nice deep conditioner before this, so if you guys haven't seen that video, then please watch. But I'm just going to do this all over my hair, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so my hair has been sitting for 10 minutes. I like to put the plastic cap back over when I'm done applying my leave-in conditioner. We're just going to take that off, and I'm going to probably split each twist in my hair into maybe 2 to 3 sections. I don't want too many twists. The point of a twist out is to take, you know, probably the least amount of time. So I'm going to apply my butter, then detangle, then cream gel, then detangle, and then twist. So let's go with that. I want to go define my part. I think I want a side part, and then I'll be back. We can start for real. Okay, so this is the section I'm starting with, and this is definitely going to be cut into maybe 3 or 4 twists. I haven't really gotten down my sizing for my twists. I know I can't have them super chunky, and I can't have them super small because that's going to take too long. So somewhere in the middle, like a medium twist. So maybe if I split this into 3, that should be good. So I'm just going to moisturize this whole section, and then cut it down. If I need more product, I will add it, and then add my cream gel. This is what my hair is looking like. This cream, it moisturizes, but it doesn't really define, so that's why I'm adding the cream gel, because I know I'll need that extra oomph. So this is the cream gel. This is actually not what I ordered when I ordered it. I was supposed to get like the cream, but they sent me a gel instead, and I didn't return it because I'm too lazy. But I've been trying to make it work. I only used it once, so now I'm going to try it in a twist out since it didn't work in a wash and go. And I won't put a gel on top of this either, so hopefully that helps. I already tested these products, so hopefully, you know, it actually works in my hair. Just going to be taking the cream gel. I know that this doesn't have enough hold for me if I want to do a wash and go on my own. Like with this alone, that would not work. So hopefully it has enough for it to twist out. Alright guys, so let me know what you think down below if the quality has changed or not. But I basically had to flip my camera over because it stopped recording, and I want to be able to see when it stopped recording, so I'm using the front camera now. But basically I was telling you guys that I did one twist and I was using the cream gel, and it started to like ball up, and I don't want to make the same mistake. You can tell the product is not gonna like do good in your hair and you continue to use it anyway, so I wanted to stop. I'm gonna keep this one in and see how it does, but I don't want to keep using it because I don't want to you know, waste my time. It does feel good. It just was starting to feel like a little bit rubbery, and you can see it balling up on my hand, so I don't want to go through that. And yeah, so this is the one twist. It's nice, juicy, soft, elongated, but I'm not going to continue to use the cream gel because I don't want to have to do my hair over or just put it up in a puff. I actually want to wear this twist out for once, so that's one. But moving on, I will be using wet line instead. I was saying that I don't know, I don't really do twist out, so I don't know what's a good size for me. But I know they can't be too small and they can't be too big. So then I apply my butter because my leave-in is already applied. So I'm applying the Miche twisting butter, and I'm just making sure that that is thoroughly worked in my hair. Then I detangle with my Demon, but not really detangle, more so like, you know, define and smooth my hair. So because I don't want no lumps or bumps, I basically just smooth my hair, and this is what it looks like. And now I'm going to go in with some wet line, and because wet line is like stronger obviously than the cream gel I was going to use, I'm not going to use a lot of it, just enough. This is not working either. Oh Lord. This is gonna be a fail, guys. I can just feel it. This is not working either. I don't know what to do. So I think I'm about to lose my shit. I think I'm gonna just use the twisting butter and just see how it works out, because this is not working out for me. This is balling up as well. I don't like that. So this is the twist compared to each other. One is obviously longer because the gel is heavier, but it doesn't seem like it's blending that well. Anyway, so I'm just going to just do the twisting butter, and we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna be use more twisting butter than I would now. And then just twist it up. I mean, it says this is good for twist out, so I guess I'm really putting it to the test with just this. Then I will start twisting. Now I'm not having any reactions, so this is just the Camille Rose and the Miche twisting butter. This is one twist. It is nice and shiny. This is just the Miche and Camille. This is the Miche Camille and wet line. Then this is the Miche Camille and the cream gel, the Afro Sheen cream gel. So I'm gonna just do the rest of my hair. I'll be back when it's time for the takedown. Well, I guess I'll show you like the ending, but you know, I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm done twisting up my hair. It took like an hour and some change. I feel like I did pretty good sizing. And I tried to blot off as much of the product as possible afterwards so it can dry faster. I'm getting nice hang time. I don't really like twists because like the front of my hair is thinner and it's just like looks kind of weird to me. Like that doesn't really form. This one's like super tiny and it frames my face. They're not that bad. I feel like some ends might have to be cut, but it feels soft, feels moisturized. I also sealed with oil on top. They don't look too juicy, but I'm just hoping they'll have some hold. They feel good though, like nice and soft. So I'm going to sit underneath my hooded dryer. Alright guys, so this is my hair about 8 hours after I took it down. I just got off of work and it has been raining today, but my results, I like them. My hair is moisturized. I do have more definition than I thought I would. I wanted to come in here and show you here because it was too dark in the other place I feel. But yeah, I definitely have a lot of definition. It's very soft, moisturized, and you know, good looking and stuff. My ends is a little rough, but I need a trim, so that could be why. But I do like it. I just don't love it. It was hard for me to separate. It didn't just like fall apart like when I use my Eden Body Works curl defining cream. That is just like butter, it just separates easily. And those parts that I did like gel and stuff on, they didn't flake or anything, but yeah, I just didn't want to risk doing my whole head in it. But I know for me in my twist styles, I definitely need more hold. I feel like I would have to retwist my hair, which I don't like to do because I feel like that causes unnecessary breakage and stuff like that when I have to like brush my hair more than once a week. But yeah, I don't hate it. I would give this like maybe a 5 out of 10. Let me know what you guys think down below. I do have some frizz, which is fine, but yeah, it could be worse, so I'm not too mad at it. I'm not going to retwist my hair though. It's just gonna keep getting bigger. We have rain and stuff, so it's just whatever. I'm probably just gonna put it up in a puff eventually. But yeah, I thought I would show you guys the final results with the light and all that. I do want to do a video series kind of where I use like my products that I know work for wash and go with twist outs and braid outs, like those combos. So let me know how you guys feel about that. But if you did like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.